Ang dami. There's a lot. Ayan bang isa? Ang dami. Parang Pilipinas. Philippines ba yan?
Ah, look this way.
Pero big yung kanilang mga duck. There's a lot duck. Konsi tabi dyan. Nagpipicture siya oh. Flowers. Anak ko silang dalhin doon at maraming ano. Ito lang ah. Nakakalat lang po yung mga bebe na yan. Pero hindi mo pwedeng hulihin. Bawal hulihin. Yeah.
They're too cute, but you cannot catch them.
Yeah. You cannot catch them.
Why do all of them look the same?
Tara nanak doon sa ano.
No, they're too cutie.
Ha? Come here na bebe.
Mommy, why do the babies look like that? They don't look like they're... Oh my god. Don't step on the goose poops.
Yeah.
There's too many goose poops here. Ew, look at that goose poop. Puro goose.
Ikinakain lang naman nila yung mga grass.
Puro goose. Oh, that's why it's green. I think you should check his shoes in case they have goose poop on it, okay?
I said, excuse me. Can see what it
No,
says?
please.
No. Oh, read. No, tita. Hindi ko no.
Cat have
No. Bicycles is
It at her box.
yung ito ano to? Oh, skateboards or roller blades on boardwalk. Ibig sabihin magwo-walk lang tayo dito. Walk lang po kami dito. Nakalagay po dito oh, boaters only. Yan, mga boaters lang po nandiyan. Tapos papasok lang sila diyan. Pintuan po yan, pintuan. Tapos papasok. No fishing in the inner harbor. No fishing on the inner harbor. Nakalagay po diyan. Ha?
Can you